Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you what we still have growing in our garden. It's like mid-November here in Pennsylvania, and it's under freezing at night, and we still got roses growing. It kind of doesn't make sense. But over here there is a couple of dead ones, but like on the left, it's like a whole parade. So guys, these are our blackberries and raspberries, as I think you guys know. So, my dad cut these down because they kind of grew together and we couldn't tell which was which. They were kind of just one big clump. This is a William at raspberry, but we got it because it's named after my brother. And this is Navajo blackberry. And we're gonna trellis them so they don't grow together again next year, because there was just a giant clump. And we'll do a video on that come spring. Do you have raspberries? What's your favorite kind? So this is our strawberry patch. This year it didn't do so good, but next year it will do better, because it will be the second year. But I am disappointed on them this year, because I only got 10, and there's so many. I thought I would get a lot more than 10. So guys, everybody knows that Halloween is over, and we still got our pumpkins, so today we're just gonna get rid of them. My mom, this is a cat. Look at mine. I squished mine. I can't pick it up. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to pick it up in pieces. I guess I have to pick this up. Here's my brother's. This is my other brother's. My two sisters didn't make them. And this one I made at school. This guy's still good, because this guy wasn't carved. We're just gonna pull these flowers up. I thought they were mums. This is what we had. Here we are at the compost. This is my mother's cat. It doesn't really look like a cat anymore because it lost its ears. Now it just looks like an alien because it lost its ears. Guys, remember when we planted our garlic? So the roots had enough time to grow, but it didn't have enough time to sprout, which is good, because right now the ground's already frozen, because we planted the garlic at the right time, so we won't see these sprouts until spring, and that's a good thing. So guys, this is our dinosaur tail. It's still up, and it looks like a palm tree. The red Wilson tail is gone because it was covered in aphids, so we had to get rid of that. Guys, look, it's still growing new growth on this. This is the prettiest green. Oh! Beets are looking good. We'll be pulling them up soon. And we got our lettuce. Like, does anybody want a salad? Because I do. So this is where our corn is going to be next year. All this whole entire world. So you guys know that over here was where the corn was. And over here is where the tomatoes and peppers were. But next year is different because the whole entire world is going to be corn. Because we love corn. Masterpiece. Our Brussels sprouts are coming along, and our carrots over there, and some of our beets. We're gonna be see how our carrots are doing. Let's just pull out a random one. Ooh, I thought this guy was gonna be a big bagel, but it's a good sized carrot. Here's another one. You too. Ooh. So guys, our carrots are doing pretty good. What kind of carrots do you guys grow? Do you guys remember? These are the ones that we use for the seed tape. If you watch that video, the multi cuddled. So we got 3 orange ones and we got a white one that I essentially broke. But they're beautiful and they smell great. Masterpiece. My wood supply was so low because yesterday my brothers mostly used all of it to remake the paths and do the back where all of the corn is gonna be next year in 2025. So that's how much they used, but I did not know they were gonna need this much. So guys, here's our last thing. I want to show you guys the mint. Like, I thought it all died. Like, should we take it in? Should we let it grow? Coming back to life. Look at it. I mean, like, look at all these big leaves. They died, but they're coming back. Guys, I want to tell you something. It's a secret. The cameraman, stay there. Guys, comment down below if we should have a greenhouse to put mint in. So guys, talk our parents into if we should have a greenhouse and what we should put in the greenhouse. So guys, comment down below all of your answers. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.